Software update. Before beginning the software update, ensure that the vehicle is put in accessory mode and proceed to opening the app. If there is a new, recently released update, once you're connected to your device, you will see a notification. Tap Start to proceed with the update process. Confirm that your vehicle is in the parked position, then tap Agree. Confirm that your vehicle's ignition is on and tap Agree. To confirm the update, tap Agree and the software will start updating. The lights on the unit will begin to flash. Do not exit out of the app or turn your device off at any point until the update has been completed. Once the lights on the unit stop flashing, the update is successful. You can now turn your engine on and live life full throttle.